What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is about to be a little chit chat. Get ready with me. Oh shit. Like how my life has been going and different stuff like that. It is so cold in this back room. I'm about to just start with doing my eyebrows and just talk to y'all. Y'all, I'm getting caramelized from this sun, from me walking to work all the time. I'm really getting caramelized and I'm starting to like it. I need to buy me some SPF. I'm about to buy me some SPF because I really have been dabbing back into skincare. But into skincare, I've been like really dabbing back into it. My skin looks really glowy right now. Ooh, I'm loving this. And as y'all seen from my little haul video, if y'all haven't seen my skincare haul, drugstore skincare haul, go ahead and hit the eye up there. So I need to shape up my brows just a little bit. I'm trying to, take care of my skin a lot more. So I'm like, let me just buy some skincare stuff because I really kind of need it. So yeah, I'm about to just start with slightly filling in my brows. Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. They look better kind of to me. On me, they look better, you know? Camera's looking good. I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Beige and just clean up my brows.
I'm thinking of because I might need to drop me off tomorrow because the buses don't really run good on Sunday. But I'll still ask them because I want to come.
I guess. So I'm about to go in with my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer right here. I got this a couple of days ago. If some of y'all... I got this a couple of days ago. If some of y'all remember. I'm about to just take 2 pumps and it like $2 little dollars right here. And just rub that in. So lately I've just been working a lot, y'all. So I ordered some things from in the mail. I'm about to go in with my Benefit Professional as my primer today. In my life, I don't know. I've just been really I've just been working a lot, y'all, because I'm focusing on getting my car. First thing I want is my car. Do anything? I put it everywhere. I spread it everywhere. I used to love this. And I think I used to only love this because a lot of beauty gurus used to talk about this primer, the Benefit Professional, a lot. I think that was the only reason. For foundation, I'm about to go in with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color 330 Toffee. In the color 330 Toffee. Okay, y'all, so I just got done with my concealer and everything. I look like a different person. I get that a lot. Like, so many people tell me that I look like a different person. And I tell them, I don't care. Y'all, I promise y'all, in person, like, my makeup does not look this freaking yellow. And I don't like how my camera is. Like, ugh. Okay, so I'm going to, for up under my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Patrick Star setting powder. And I told y'all I was going to stop using that for up under my eyes, but it turns out that the coated airspun leaves a white glare up under my eyes. Like, what the fuck? And I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it, but that ain't cute, y'all. So I gotta keep my Patrick Star powder on hand, I guess. At my eyelid as well. You don't want that to crease either. And I'm just like, what I'm doing is taking a heavy amount of it, blowing up the excess. I look crazy. I look so freaking crazy. To set the rest of my face like I usually do, I'm gonna be taking my Fit Me powder and just set the rest of my face with this. Now, y'all already know what I'm about to. Y'all already know my routine. Basically, it's just like my routine for my everyday natural. Continuing, I have a lot of products that are on the way, and replacement products as well that are on the way. Here. Like I ordered the Amrezy highlighter. I was stuck. Honestly, like I was stuck between ordering the Amrezy highlighter and La Peach. And I was like, ooh, I should definitely get La Peach because supporting Jackie, Jackie Ina, but that shipping, I was like, ooh, that shipping caught me, y'all. But the Amrezy highlighter and everything at Anastasia is free shipping. So I was like, that was like a no-brainer for me because it was free shipping and I'm cheap and I don't have time to be paying for shipping really. So, and it was the same price too. So it's not like one was, more than the other. They were the same price. I'm waiting on that. I'm waiting on my replacements for my ColourPop concealers because my ColourPop concealers are actually going out. And I had them for a long time anyway. I had them since like November and they're finally going out. So I needed to order replacements for those. And I needed to order a replacement for my AOA Studio, which is like by Shock Miss A, if y'all didn't know. AOA Studio concealer. Waiting on that to come back as well. And I'm probably going to be ordering next in the next 2 weeks. I'm going to be ordering a 3-set softbox lighting system because I want to start filming at night because I barely get days off that's really close together. I mean, y'all might see me film during the day sometimes, but like I'm mostly going to film at night because when I get off work like around 11ish. 11, yeah. And I get home probably like around 12. So see me with a whole bunch of studio lights soon. I'm ordering 3, like 1 a headlight, 2 softbox lights, and then so I guess the headlight is gonna go over here, like back there as well, somewhere back there. It's gonna be a lot, and I need to buy a circuit breaker as well. I also need a new Hoola bronzer. This is gone. I had this for almost 2 years now. The reason why I picked up Hoola bronzer because everybody was talking about it. Like this is around the same time when everybody was talking about Hoola. Like, and I don't know. Everybody was just talking about it. I know that. Dusting off all that powder now. What should I go for next? Fix Plus or Make It Dewy Setting Spray by Milani. Which one am I leaning towards? So I'm going to take this peach blush in here. I'm about to marry my highlight and my contour together. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild lipstick. I just got it 2 days ago. I'm going to try this out. Okay guys, so I just hopped off camera to finish my whole face. yeah, so the kind of lipstick I'm wearing is here it is. It is Caramel Cake by Wet n Wild. A person at my job told me like not to get this because she said it's streaky, like, you know, but if you let it dry down, if you like, you know, you like matte liquid lipsticks, if you let it dry down, it won't transfer and it won't like break up if you put your lips together. But I had on a gloss to everything, so, but the tube broke. I just have to glue it back down. I just got done, you know, so I guess I'm probably about to wait till I go out later, and it's now, what time is it? 3:29, so I'm probably just going to have to wait. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I really wasn't talking about a lot of stuff. I'm sorry about that. I was just preoccupied about getting my face done. And yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video.